Have you ever wondered why your friend's credit card seems to get them airport lounge access, sky-high cashbacks, and special treatment at Dubai's best spots, while yours just racks up dust in your wallet or on your desk? Here's the honest truth. Not all cards are created equal, especially when it comes to HSBC in the UAE. One choice can mean hundreds, even thousands more in real perks and savings each year. Or if you pick wrong, just another piece of plastic you regret having. If you're living in Dubai, where your card can unlock anything from rent discounts to those all-important flight upgrades, finding the right HSBC credit card is more than just a flex. It's a money move you'll feel all year around. But before we jump in, do me a quick favor and smash that like button and subscribe if you enjoy honest advice for navigating Dubai's financial scene. It helps my channel grow, plus you'll get real talk on money, banks, and Dubai hacks every single week right on this channel. And without further ado, let's get right into it. If you walk into any HSBC branch or scroll their website in 2025, you'll probably see three names come up again and again: HSBC Cashback Credit Card, HSBC Advance, and HSBC Premier. But if I had to recommend a card for most Dubai residents right now, the one with the strongest mix of savings and simplicity, it's the HSBC Cashback Credit Card. And here's why. Unlike most banks that drown you in a confusing points system, the HSBC Cashback card is pure, simple, and rewarding right from your first swipe. As of 2025, the minimum monthly salary requirement for this card is set at 10,000 dirhams, making it totally accessible for young professionals, mid-career, and established expats alike. There's a 299 dirham annual fee, but HSBC regularly waives it for the first year as part of ongoing promotions, and sometimes forever if you spend enough year to year, so definitely check the promo details when applying. Now, this card keeps it real. You get 1.5% cashback on everything spent internationally and 1% back on domestic purchases, plus an even higher cashback rate at select UAE supermarkets and fuel stations. Imagine this: you're doing your weekly grocery run, paying for Netflix, or even footing the bill for a family dinner out. Every transaction slowly builds cashback straight off your statement. No points to convert, no expiry dates, just casual savings and no caps. And if you're one for summer travel or spontaneous weekends abroad, you'll love the international cashback rate. I've heard people save over 1,000 dirhams last year just by running the regular expenses all automated through HSBC Cashback Card. That essentially wipes out the annual fee and then some. Interest on unpaid balances is pretty much the industry standard, which is 3.19% per month, which adds up fast if you don't clear your bill each month. Cash advances have a 3% fee or 100 dirham minimum per use, so as always, those are best avoided except in emergencies. And as with all UAE cards, a missed payment means a 230 dirham late fee, so it pays to set up automatic repayments through the HSBC mobile app, which by the way is one of the smoothest I've used for tracking spending, blocking a card if you lose it, and snooping on your cashback totals. If you want a card that genuinely pays you back, doesn't confuse you with fancy categories, and sticks within reasonable salary and fee ranges, I think this is the one. Now, of course, there are reasons you might look at other HSBC cards, and I want to call those out too. The HSBC Advance card is basically the next tier, designed for people earning 15,000 dirhams per month or more. The annual fee is technically 650 dirhams, but here's the trick. If you maintain advanced status, usually by crediting your salary to HSBC, they'll waive the fee. Compared to the cashback one, what does the advance actually give you though? You get a slightly upgraded reward point system instead of direct cashback, and you get up to 12 complimentary lounge key, airport lounge visits, annually. So that's perfect if you fly a handful of times a year for business or vacations. You'll also get better customer support and the chance to unlock more banking privileges at HSBC, like premium savings rates or faster loan approvals. But unless you really care about lounge visits, I would say most daily Dubai spenders will get more value out of the straightforward cashback card I was talking earlier. Now it's time for the heavy hitters, the HSBC Premier crowd. To qualify for Premier, you need a whopping 40,000 dirham salary per month paid to HSBC, or you need to maintain a pretty large balance in your accounts. If you can swing it, the Premier credit card unlocks unlimited lounge key access for you and a guest with top tier travel insurance, higher daily limits, and the fastest HSBC customer service available in Dubai. There's no annual fee, but it's all about whether you can sustain that Premier status. For frequent flyers, large spenders, and those who basically base all their finances around HSBC, it's golden. But let's be real, most expats and working folks in Dubai won't qualify for Premier status, so I don't consider it the best general pick. A quick but important point though, all the HSBC cards, yes, even the cashback, include the core perks everyone in Dubai wants these days. Solid fraud protection, instant card blocking, real-time SMS updates on every spend, and hotlines that actually pick up when you call in English or Arabic. The HSBC mobile banking app is genuinely reliable with the great UI that they have and real analytics to keep your spending in check. So now add that to global acceptance, competitive currency conversion rates for international spending and transactions, and emergency replacement services if you lose your card abroad. No wonder these cards get positive ratings across Dubai expat forums every single year. Now, a lot of viewers DM me about whether the cashback card is worth it if you already have a different bank's card sitting in your wallet. Here's my answer. If you pay your bills in full every single month and put most of your regular spending through a single card, you'll unlock real value with HSBC Cashback. It's not about chasing crazy rewards you never use or benefits that sound glamorous on paper but never hit your lifestyle. It's about getting actual cashback, easy redemption, and solid basic perks, all while dealing with a bank that's responsive to Dubai residents. So speaking personally, that's the big reason the HSBC Cashback is the #1 pick amongst the list here. I've recommended it to friends new to town, to people settling families here, and to colleagues who just want real savings without jumping through hoops. For travel lovers or power earners, I think the Advance or Premier might win out if you qualify, especially if those lounge visits or elevated support means something to you. But for the broadest range of Dubai residents in 2025, families and single professionals alike, I think the cashback card hits the sweet spot here. So if you found this breakdown helpful, like this video, subscribe for new UAE money tips every week, and if you're serious about optimizing your financial life in Dubai, make sure you join the members only group for deep dive sessions, exclusive guides, and real Q&A straight from my inbox to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you score the card that works hardest for your money, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.